To make editing easier, what you can also do is you can go around and utilize the guided edit mode right here. So once you go around onto the guided edit mode, you can see that there's different guided edit modes that you can use. Like there's basics, there's video adjustments right here, there's audio adjustments and fun edits. So as you edit, depending on the type of edit you want to make, what happens is that the guided edit guides you through the process. So over here you can see that get started is an option right here. And once you utilize this guided edit, it allows you to add clips, arrange them to form a sequence and clean them up and save them up as a movie. So let's just go around and click right here. And here you can see the step. So the guided edit will walk you through editing a video to give you an overview of how it works, as you can see right here. So you can press next, and first of all it is telling you to add a media. So once you go around over here, so click on any media source to import out your footage. So I'm just going to go around and click on files and folder, and over here I'm going to go around and select out a file right here just like this and click on open. So once you do that, you can see that the guided edit is actually guiding you through. So the clip you added is stored in project asset bin, as you can see right here, and drag and drop the clip to video 1 track on timeline. So I need to go around and drag it out over here on video 1 timeline right here. So once you do that, it is asking that when viewing your videos, these controls are used to toggle between playing and pausing your video. So you can see that you can go around and play and pause and go 1 frame right or left right here and rewind, or even go around and forward this out right here. So it is guiding you through right here. Then it says this is the film strip or the timeline cursor right here that you can use to navigate around. So you can see that this is what you have, and zooming in is over here, as you can see right here. Zoom in and zoom out is here, and for trimming it is guiding you as well. So you can go around and trim this out over here, and you can see that it is very handy. It is guiding you through each and every tools right here. So you can utilize this guided edit over here. You can go around over here and you can see that it is asking you to split as well. So the splitting of clips is here. So you can go around over here, and it is asking you, it is telling you that what a transition is and how to add in a transition as well. So you can click on the transition in the action bar, and here on the side you can see that there's this transition, and it is asking you to add in the transition options available. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out right here, you can see that this is what you have, and this is how you can adjust out the transition and apply it out right here. So once you do that, you can see that this is the transition, and it says now that you have completed editing and creating a movie, you can export it and quickly share it with friends and family. So you can go around and click on export and share right here, and it says now you can quickly export this out over here. So now I'm just going to go around and say export right here just like this, export file right here just like this, and I'm going to go around and click on browse and select my desktop, click on it and click on save, and it says the movie is being saved right now, and you can see that it is rendering out a media. And that is how you can get started with the guided edit mode right here. And this is how we use the first guided edit mode right here to guide you through the process of editing. And there's many guided edit modes that you can use for different purposes, and that is what we're going to cover up in upcoming videos. So that is how you can utilize guided edit mode inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.